So, who broke it?
I did. I broke it.
No, you didn't. Amethyst?
Don't look at me. Look at Lapis.
What? I didn't break it.
Huh, that's weird. How'd you know it was broken?
Because it's sitting right in front of us and it's broken.
If it matters, probably not. But Peridot was the last one to use it.
Liar! I don't even drink that crap!
Oh, really? Then what were you doing by it earlier?
I use the plug to charge my robots. Everyone knows that, Steven.
Okay, let's not fight. I broke it. Let me fix it, Garnet.
No. Who broke it?
Garnet, Jasper's been awfully quiet.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Oh my god.
And another thing.
I broke it. It burned Steven, so I punched it.
Why do we have to fight?
Stop!
Hey, I'm surprised you're not just breaking everything you pick up.